So on today's episode, we're talking about the high tension, about the transformer, and we'll be focusing on the JnP. The JnP is that tiny conductor you see at the high tension side of the transformer fittings that closes the high tension to the transformer, that closes the high tension to the SLP. So this cable, you will see them very, very tiny, and you'll not be wondering, why will the incomer, the one bringing the supply, very, very tiny fuse, because the JnP is a fuse. It is called jumper, like a jumper fuse, and is a tiny coated copper conductor, and is the one supplying the whole transformer. You see very, very tiny conductor. You'll not be wondering, why is this conductor tiny and it does not cut easily? Now, the reason is very, very simple. Number one, that's a high tension system. It has high voltage, low current. So the current is tiny, that is low current, maybe 10 amps, 20 amps, or depend on the high tension system. So the tiny conductor, the JnP, can be able to carry that amount of current. But the major reason is because the transformer itself is an electromagnetic device, and it has coil inside. Transformer have coil and oil inside. Now in this transformer, there is no ohmic contact between the coils. That means the high tension coil and the low tension side, if it's a step down transformer, those coils, they don't touch it themselves. What happens between them is a transfer of electrical energy using what? Fluxes, using magnets. That is electromagnetism. So because they don't have any ohmic contact, there will not be high currents. So what the JnP does with the high tension is that they only push magnets. They don't carry load. But on the secondary side, there's load. That's why you see that at the output side of the transformer, you see heavy 500, 300 mm armored cable that are used to distribute the light to our various houses. But in the high tension side, you see a 75 mm SLP cable, and it will be working perfectly. So now you have understood why the JnP is tiny and does not cut. One reason: high tension has low currents, high voltage, low currents, and the transformer itself does not have ohmic contact between the coils. The coils are what? They are separated. Thank you.